All right, what's going on, guys, and welcome to another blockchain future. ConsenSys is a Ethereum blockchain development studio out of Brooklyn, New York, that concentrates primarily on Ethereum projects, and they've come out after doing a bit of research into the topic and said that there's thousands of decentralized finance projects that are currently under development, and that the DeFi area is flourishing. So I actually have their blog post here that actually has 100 plus projects actually listed. And there's another post here by Crypto Globe that summarizes it pretty well. So I was going to go over this article first and then jump into ConsenSys's blog post that goes into a lot of different projects. And I won't be covering all of them. Of course, both links will be in the description, but let's just jump into this article first. The contributors at ConsenSys, a Brooklyn, New York-based Ethereum-related development studio, have published a blog post in which they have revealed that decentralized finance has grown into one of the most active sectors of the blockchain industry in 2019. Included in the evolving set of core technologies that now make up the globally accessible DeFi platforms are stablecoins, decentralized crypto exchanges or DEXs, those are exchanges that do not hold a user's private keys, multi-currency wallets, and various payment gateways, ConsenSys's blog post noted. Published on May 29, 2019, ConsenSys's blog post mentions that the nascent DeFi ecosystem now also includes lending and insurance platforms, key infrastructural development, marketplaces, and investment engines. The developers at ConsenSys estimate, all in all, decentralized finance projects now range in the thousands, and we're seeing the early stages of a whole new industry, which I've mentioned before. As noted in ConsenSys's blog, some of the leading organizations and platforms contributing to the development of decentralized payment technologies include Request Network, a decentralized payments network for building distributed applications with support for Ethereum and IPFS, that's the Interplanetary File System. XDAI Chain, an Ethereum-based first ever USD stable blockchain. And I've brought up the XDAI chain before in a previous video. OmiseGo, a platform focused on developing Ethereum-based scalable payment solutions. Groundhog, an initiative involving the creation of cryptocurrency-based subscriptions. Raiden, a platform for creating Ethereum-based off-chain solutions for instant and low-fee payments. Ink Protocol, a decentralized reputation and payment protocol. Well, that sounds interesting. Stablecoin projects. In addition to Maker DAO's DAI, TrueUSD, TUSD, Circle's USD coin, USDC, Paxos Standard Token, PAX, Gemini's Dollar, GUSD. There are some other notable stablecoin projects, ConsenSys's blog stated. These include Augment, a stablecoin backed one-to-one by Euros. Stable Unit, a decentralized privacy coin. Digix, physical gold with DGX tokens, where one DGX represents 1 gram of gold on Ethereum. Infrastructure-focused projects. ConsenSys extensive blog post also lists some key crypto infrastructure-related projects. 0x, an open-source protocol for building decentralized crypto exchanges. DutchX, a peer-to-peer protocol for trading ERC20 compliant tokens. Settle, an internet-based dashboard for operating system for DeFi applications. That one sounds interesting. 0xCert, a protocol for managing non-fungible tokens. I have a video on that as well. Finally, ConsenSys's blog mentions a few important liquidity and crypto exchanges. AirSwap, decentralized Ethereum-based platform for trading digital assets. Liquality, a platform that aims to help users exchange cryptocurrencies without requiring intermediaries. Paradex, a token relay project acquired by American crypto exchange Coinbase. ETHFinex, a hybrid decentralized exchange developed by Bitfinex. And Loopring, a leading protocol for decentralized token exchange. So this is just a few of the different projects. If we jump into the article here, you can see that there are quite a few here. Let me just run through this top part really quick. Decentralized finance has grown into one of the most active sectors of blockchain in 2019, and Ethereum projects in particular have raced to the front in establishing an ecosystem with global network effects and interoperability. From stablecoins, decentralized exchanges, and wallets to payment networks, lending and insurance platforms, key infrastructural development, marketplaces, and investment engines, the decentralized finance ecosystem is flourishing. What's now emerging is a vast spectrum of decentralized finance. On one end, open finance platforms that empower individuals around the world in engaging with new and remodeled financial systems. On the other, decentralized finance solutions are changing the approach of established institutions by bringing decentralized solutions into play. All in all, decentralized finance projects now range in the thousands, and we're seeing the early stages of a whole new industry. We built on excellent research by The Block, DeFi Pulse, Delphi Digital, GitHub. In addition, our deep dives into the state of stablecoins and the state of decentralized exchanges to put together a wide-reaching list of the projects pioneering decentralized finance, broken down by category. So you can see they have payments. You can see all the different ones here for payments, stablecoins, DAI USD, Gemini Reserve, Stable Unit, some of the ones that we just spoke about. Infrastructure, Connext, free open source P2P micropayment infrastructure built with payment channels on Ethereum. Sounds like a side chain. Foam, protocol for proof of location and decentralized location services. Exchanges and liquidity. There's AirSwap, Uniswap, which I've spoken about. Kyber, I've spoken about. Banker is big. Bamboo Relay. Investment. Polymath. Big fan of Polymath. All Infra, a platform for tokenization of large-scale unlisted infrastructure. Harbor, all-in-one platform for digital securities. Wow, there's a lot. Polymath, a platform for the creation of tokenized securities. Remember this one, guys. Open venture investing. Sounds very interesting. KYC and identity. Self-key, self-sovereign identity system. We've heard of Civic, secure blockchain identity toolbox and ecosystem. Bloom, decentralized credit scoring and identity for blockchain. Jolocom, decentralized infrastructure for self-sovereign identity. Yeah, identity is going to be a very big piece of blockchain. It's kind of in the non-fungible token space because that includes identity. A lot of people are just concentrating on money and currency, but there's going to be lots of different applications for blockchain, cryptocurrency, and DeFi. Then we have derivatives. I did go over this I did go over a lot of the different sectors of DeFi in my Decentralized Finance Explains video. Variable leverages the Ethereum blockchain to offer trustless, secure, and efficient financial derivatives. Daxia creates smart contracts on Ethereum to issue long and short trading positions on assets. We have marketplaces where you can spend some of the money. TrueSet, multi-sided marketplaces that collect, validate, publish, and commercialize business-critical reference data. Bounties Network, freelance and bounty, any task, pay with Ethereum. That's a pretty good one. Same with eFlance, a marketplace for freelance work in the Ethereum space. So imagine farming out your time and getting paid in Ethereum. A lot of the future labor will be going in this direction. No more banks. Origin, a protocol for creating peer-to-peer marketplaces utilizing Ethereum and IPFS. Prediction markets. Talked about Veil before. Talked about Augur before. Guesser, peer-to-peer trading market on Augur in 3 easy clicks. Helena, prediction markets platform for forecasting blockchain developments, events, and projects. Gnosis, open platform for creating prediction market applications on the Ethereum protocol. Credit and lending. There's Dharma, BlockFi I brought up, Dharma I brought up, Compound I brought up. Salt has been around a long time. Instadap, a decentralized bank built on top of the Maker DAO protocol to create an easy-to-use interface. Insurance, it just keeps going. EtherRisk, a decentralized insurance protocol to collectively build risk transfer solutions. Custodial services, MetaMask is pretty big. I'm sure you've all heard of it. My Ether wallet is very big. Trust Wallet, My Crypto. Data and analytics for DeFi. DeFi Pulse, Maker Tools, Stablecoin Index, Solutions, Kaleido, an all-in-one SaaS blockchain business cloud. Looks like that's it. That's a lot. So obviously every one of these is linked to each project. So the link to this blog post is in the description. Also, the link to this post from Crypto Globe is in the description. Please like and share the video, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions regarding this stuff. I'm always open to interacting with you guys. But that's all I got for today. This is definitely very cool to see the decentralized finance area grow, and it's just going to get bigger from here, especially with all these projects going on. But definitely check it out, and have a good day. Thank you.